Welcome back. Today we will see how to combine multiple tables into one. Here we have three tables, that is table 1, table 2 and table 3. Let's see how to create the one table. Select a cell equals to vstack and select table 1 range, comma, table 2, comma, and table 3 and close the bracket. Enter. Now we can see the three tables has combined into one table. If I want to remove this function behind of this data, let's see, copy this data, paste special, click on values, click on OK. The function has removed. Now we can select as a table font. Here we can see the table has combined. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.